Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use SolidWorks 2025 Revolved Boss in SolidWorks Coil on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to New Page and select Part and select OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now I am going to here plane white. Now draw the circle from origin. Now give the dimension, smart dimension. This line, this circle dimension 100. Now draw the line from it, make center line. Now select here trim. Okay. Now go to feature and revolve. Now select no. Now give the below thickness 1. Thickness use 1. Now here select 270 degree. 70 degree or 60 degree as you wish. 60 degree use. Okay. Now make our job. Thank you all. Everyone share and like. If you have any ask, you can write comment box.